very dark. We're waiting on fireworks. It's me and Hollie. Hey! Hey, they're lighting one. Watch. Watch the amazement. Woo! It's so beautiful. It's very pretty. It's a very slow process, but it's okay. Our dog has already been shot at. That has really upset me. Wait, they're lighting another one. Be quiet. Well, Daddy, move. Move! Well, oh gosh, they went to stick his head. How beautiful. Now they're screaming. I think I'm going to move, but I'm too lazy. So forget that. Well, they're lighting another one. There we go. Beautiful!